Is your skin crying out for help? Struggling with acne, irritation, or early signs of aging? These 3 essential oils might be your natural skincare solution, but not all oils are created equal. So today we are diving into the powerful benefits and proper uses of tea tree, lavender, and frankincense essential oils for your skin. Stay tuned. This might just change your skincare game. What are essential oils? Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts obtained through steam distillation or cold pressing. These tiny bottles pack major benefits, each with unique properties that can target specific skin issues when used the right way. Tea tree oil, the acne fighter. First up, tea tree oil. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, this oil is a go-to for acne treatment. It works by reducing inflammation and killing acne-causing bacteria like Propionibacterium acnes. Never apply tea tree oil directly to the skin. Always dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil, ideally in a 5% dilution. Apply it as a spot treatment or add a drop to your cleanser for that extra antibacterial boost. With consistent use, it can help fade blemishes, reduce breakouts, and calm irritated skin. Lavender oil, the skin soother. Next is lavender oil. A gentle multitasker, is perfect for calming inflamed or sensitive skin, reducing redness and promoting healing. Its antifungal and antibacterial effects also make it great for treating minor cuts, burns, or eczema flare-ups. Try mixing a few drops into your nighttime moisturizer. Not only will your skin thank you, but the scent can help reduce stress and improve sleep. Frankincense oil, the anti-ager. Now let's talk about the luxurious frankincense oil, known as the liquid gold of skincare. This oil promotes cell regeneration, tightens the skin, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and age spots. It also has astringent properties which help reduce large pores and give your skin a firmer, youthful look. Add 2 to 3 drops to your favorite facial oil or serum and use it as part of your evening routine. Safety tips for using essential oils. Essential oils are powerful, so safety first. Always do a patch test before applying them to your face. Avoid using them undiluted and never apply them near the eyes. And if you are pregnant or have sensitive skin, consult a dermatologist before use. How to choose quality oils. When shopping for essential oils, always check for 100% pure therapeutic grade oils. Look for dark glass bottles and avoid synthetic fragrance oils. Easy DIY recipes. DIY acne spot treatment. 2 drops tea tree oil, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Apply to blemishes before bed. DIY calming facial mist. 1 cup rose water, 3 drops lavender oil, 1 tablespoon witch hazel. Spray lightly over clean skin morning and night. DIY anti-aging serum. 5 drops frankincense, 2 tablespoons argan oil. Massage nightly into clean skin. Tea tree for breakouts, lavender for calming and healing, frankincense for youthful glow, Which one will you add to your skincare routine? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more skincare tips, and drop a comment below if you have tried any of these oils. See you in the next one. Bye.